Welcome back to Daytime. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to give up what you love. And yes, that even goes for things like cookies and French fries. Registered dietitian and the author of The Belly Fat Diet for Dummies, Erin Wade joins us now to show us how to pull it off. Hi, Erin.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here today.
So are we. You've got a lot of things that look really delicious in front of you, but they're not made with traditional ingredients. So first, tell us about this concept of swapping ingredients to make things healthier, but just as tasty.
Yeah, so we all love comfort foods, and there's nothing wrong with having them when you want them. But the problem is, if we want to have those comfort foods every single day, they're just not that nutritious, and they can start to do damage to our health. So when you use a few simple recipe swaps, you can really make those favorite comfort foods over in a healthier way so you can enjoy them more often and even have them every day.
So if I would like those French fries that you have in the red container, for instance, how would I make those more healthy?
Yeah, so when we think about the traditional French fry, it's deep fried, it's potato, and so you're getting a lot of added fat, you're getting a lot of sodium in those traditional versions. So what I like to do when we want to have French fries more often in our house is I use a non-starchy vegetable, like I use zucchini for these. I slice it into a French fry shape, and instead of deep frying, what I do is I put it in a bag with a little bit of olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, some breadcrumbs. You shake it up, you put it on a baking tray, and then you bake it to get it crispy. So you're not deep frying. And this swap right here, if we were to compare this to the traditional medium-sized fast food French fry, it saves 300 calories as well as 15 grams of fat. And you get more vegetables too.
I've actually done that with carrots, and my family loves it. We call them carrot fries. So that's a great one. I've never tried, though, a cinnamon bun at home because I'm like, that's just, my nutritional intake for a week. So how do I make that healthier?
Yeah, so this is something I was determined to make healthier because those, ooey gooey cinnamon rolls you get at the mall food court, those are like my favorite food ever. But the average cinnamon roll like that has 59 grams of added sugar. That's more than what you would get in an entire can of soda.
Wow.
So my swap here is when you're making the cinnamon roll, instead of using brown sugar, you can use pureed dates. And dates are this fruit that really have like a caramel sweetness to them, but there's no added sugar. It's just natural sugar, it's fiber, it's nutrients. So I use that for the filling in the cinnamon roll to replicate the brown sugar. And then for the frosting, instead of the traditional cream cheese frosting, which has a large amount of sugar, I use Greek yogurt blended with cream cheese, and then I put in just a hint of any kind of non-caloric sweetener you want. So for this, I use monk fruit, you could use stevia, anything you want. But this cinnamon roll right here has 0 grams of added sugar.
Wow.
And it really, really does taste similar to the real thing.
Very good. All right, so we have a couple of minutes, so let's quickly run through the other three. I see pizza, cookies, and pancakes. Go.
Yes, so when it comes to pizza, we know the refined crust is really not filling us up, not giving us a lot of nutrition. So I like to swap it with vegetables. And this is cauliflower vegetable crust. This swap right here, you can just make it with cauliflower, egg, and shredded cheese. It saves you 157 calories per slice, and it gives you a serving of vegetables. So a really great win when it comes to filling those pizza cravings. And then with cookies, I like to call these my breakfast cookies since they're so healthy you can eat them for breakfast. Traditional chocolate chip cookies, there's nothing wrong with it, but per cookie, you're getting 14 grams of added sugar. These, you swap out the added sugar with pureed banana, you replace the butter with Greek yogurt, and these cookies taste and look just like the real thing, but you're cutting out 10 grams of added sugar per cookie, and you're getting more protein too. And finally, when it comes to the pancakes, those traditional stacks of pancakes, they taste great, but they don't really fill us up because it's just quick digested carb. So here I blend together oatmeal, egg, and a little bit of Greek yogurt. So we have these high protein, fluffy pancakes, taste and look just like the real thing, but no refined carbohydrate and more protein, so they really fill you up.
I'm hearing Greek yogurt a lot. It's amazing how versatile it is.
It really is. You can use it to replace so many things from frosting to fat and recipes.
Who knew? Thanks to you, now we do. Erin Wade, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we're going to put this up on our website, daytimeonline.tv. Daytime will be right back.